the side of the street, man. My car done broke down, bro. My car done broke down, bro.
Shoulda came by day. Hey, nigga ain't come these hoes, they just in the way. Yeah, we was so down bad, nigga, yeah, we made a way. Hey, did this all on my own, nigga, I made a name.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Playboy Ramon, man. Today we don't got like a good video today, man. As y'all can see, let me show y'all. I'm on the side of the street, man. My car done broke down, bro. My car done broke down, bro. Sorry, something, man. But I feel like I ain't even really mad for real, honestly. Because this is a used car. I bought this I'm not rich, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't on that type of level yet, bro. To be cashing out on exotic shit. But I feel like this happened for a reason, you know what I'm saying? I feel like everything happened for a reason. I feel like God did this to me right now to tell me and show me that I need to go harder. I need to do better, because settling for this is not it. I feel like that's what he wanted to show me, that I'm settling for less and I need to go harder, work harder, and be better, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take this as a lesson. I done had 2 cars before this that did damn near the same shit. So it ain't nothing new to me, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, this shit keep happening. So I just feel like this is the guy that's trying to tell me something, man, that I need to go harder, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's niggas out there that's in them Hellcats and shit, bro. And I'm in a used car right now. But yeah, man. Nigga finna work though, bro. This just inspired me to work harder, bro. I'm finna start going crazy. Because this shit not it, bro. Oh God, this shit not it. This shit not it, man. But shit, bro. I ain't finna let this shit fuck me up, bro. You know what I'm saying? We gon' for sure get another car going soon. For shit, sure, bro. This shit is just like, bro, it's exhausting and irritating, bro. But it's life at the same time. Like, you just gonna have to deal with it and suck it up, bro. But yeah, anyways. Hey, your boy just got hired at another hospital. Finna start going crazy. Who blowing? Yeah. That go the tow truck, y'all. So, yeah, man, like I said, man. That other shit. I ain't finna let this shit get to my head, you know what I'm saying? Cause this is just temporary. Like, this shit right here just is nothing. I can go get another car right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's millions of cars in the world. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man. The boy got more shit on the way, new shit on the way, better shit on the way, more money on the way, you know what I'm saying? We finna run this shit up, bro. Y'all finna for shit so get more videos. God. I'm finna go crazy on the tube. Damn, nigga! Interrupted my video, bitch ass. I'ma hit y'all back. The tow truck man here. I'll hit y'all back in a minute. Alright, y'all. I'm finna show y'all the car, man. Show y'all the car real quick. I'm gonna put the car in this one. Damn, I gotta put the keys in. I leave the key in there? It's the car, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Some light, look, used car I bought there. Put it up there though. Check. You know what I'm saying? My mama here supporting. Right around the corner. So this life, man, you know what I'm saying? This life. Gonna run this shit up. No sleep. Alright, y'all, the car is back at my home. You know, it's the car, y'all, man. It's leaking oil and shit now. By your hand off the camera, baby.
Okay, can you shut up?
Stupid they done.
This is an interview.
Yeah, let me
Why
know
should
if
we
I should-
pick?
if I
Why
should
should
win.
we pick you over Michael Jackson? We gotta see some moves, some dance moves, boy. Put L Skater in the comments, bro. Get your.
What's up, y'all? Yeah, Papa Do's. You a Papa Do's, nah, saying. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Looking at we in Walmart on one thing, you know what I'm saying? On the cart. I'm going to Walmart. Bro, where are you going? Davion.